Okay, so I have already shared with you the Google Jamboard. I'm going to put the link in again. You can click on it. Someone's in the waiting room. Okay, so click on this. You should be in. So today we are a bit slower. Don't worry, it's normal. Okay, somebody just came in. Whoever just came in, Jeremy, you have to give me your email address. I'm going to add you into the Google Jamboard so you can also give your input. Now, before we start, those who are here, you might want to go to the first page of the Google Jamboard. I think you are at the first page. There are 3 pages. If I can show you this. Okay, Jeremy. Okay, Marine, that's fine. Don't worry. I think most important thing is you are here. So you just respond to me. I'm not going to force you to turn on camera. I think some of you might not be comfortable. Okay, so you see what I did, right? If you're not familiar with how to use this, okay, can you see my mouse moving? Can, right? So I go to this sticky note. Can you see sticky note? I will click on this and then I can use different color, but I will require you to put in your name. For example, if I am, okay, just now we have joy, right? Maybe I am sadness. Sadness, okay. So I can talk about parts of maybe a flower. Okay, then I can add on, etc., etc., etc. Yeah. Then the moment I save, it's going to appear. Can you see that? So, so this goes sadness, say parts of a flower, mistakes, say processes involved include pollination, fertilization. So you can add in your post-it, okay? Add in your sticky note, write down something you recall. It doesn't matter if that say is a repeat while you're typing, somebody typed the same thing, but what mistake put down here and sadness put down, sadness one is incomplete, right? Yeah, so you're going to write down your own. So Cassidy, you will start off with Cassidy, then dash, then write down your points. Okay, don't worry, Jeremy, I'm going to change it again. So I add you in, Jeremy, you try and see whether you can access. Let's see. Copy link. I will put in the link once more. So in future, we'll be using more application. Joy, you see, when you put down your name like that, right? You haven't had a chance to type. You know why? Because you type and you press enter, right? So you double click on the post-it again. For example, I double click. Okay. If I press enter, it will actually just immediately appear on the Jamboard. Okay, so I can edit. You see, the moment I enter, it becomes like that. You can double click and edit your own post-it again. Okay, so reproduction. Okay, I can say to produce fruits. Yeah, you put the hyphen, right? You don't have to worry, to have the words on the next line. Doesn't matter. I can see your name and then the words you type in, you see I don't have the spacing also, right? Okay, what I have here is like that. So it's fine. You can delete if you wish to. Charlotte is here. Okay, Jeremy, you are here. So Jeremy, you're going to type in something. Very good. So Cassidy, you say stigma will receive pollen grains from the anthers. Okay, great. So these are the various points that we can share with each other. So at the end of this, okay, later I'll show you how you can keep all these pointers from your friends. All right. And then you can also download. Yeah. Oh, okay. Sorry, Salman. Okay. You can also download, for example, here, download as PDF. All right. So I want everybody's contribution so that, you know, everybody is putting in something. Jinpo is here. How come Jinpo you got kicked out again and come in again? What happened? Internet connection not strong, huh? Jinpo is Jeremy, right? Okay. Jeremy. I think Jinpo is somebody else's name. Hi, Charlotte. If you are here and you just enter the room, right, and you don't know what we are doing, quickly give me your email address first. I'm going to add you into this Google Jamboard. Okay, we are doing a very quick revision to gather notes. So once I have this, right, I can even offline invite y'all to give summary notes for other topics as well. Right, so it's not necessarily just going to be doing lesson. Ziyan as well, can you give me your email address? Those who just come in, give me your email address. Maybe I can put a post-it here also. Orange. Nobody use orange, right? Okay, so this is my announcement. I put at this corner. Okay, so Charlotte, Ziyan, you need to send me your email address in the chat box. My purpose of doing this is I don't want other people to access our Jamboard, because if I make it available to anybody who has the link, people can come in and then they can delete our stuff, correct? So we try to keep everything within our class only. Okay. Charlotte, you don't have Then Charlotte, you try to click on this link. Then you request for access to this. Hey, you all must keep typing. Can keep typing a lot of things, you know. Why reproduction important? You can also write something like that in, okay, to ensure continuity of their kind, right? So keep writing. Okay, something like that. Okay, keep writing. Yeah. Oh, Joy, you even put different angle. I think it's nice. We can do that. Okay, male parts. Okay, female parts. Then you have, yeah, other parts of a flower. That's petal. Okay, Delia, thank you. Okay, only organisms can reproduce. What do you mean by that, Salman? Maybe you want to add on a little bit. It's want to be make it smaller. The parts of a flower, yeah, ovary, ovule, stigma, okay. Now, so what else is inside reproduction in plants? It's about the seeds also, right? Okay, so you might want to add in more if you wish to. If there isn't anything you want to add in, go to the third frame. This is good. I want to see your target for PSLE. The last time I didn't record, so I need you all to put it in. It's okay to see everybody's, right? Yeah. So you can go to the third frame and do it. Ziyan, you cannot go in. How come? Your school blocked this. Cannot be, right? Did they say that you have to request for access? Okay, never mind. We're just trying out, right? So If we can't do it this time, let me figure out how to do it another time. Okay. How many of you did all your revision, all your work for this topic? Because I'm going to start a Kahoot game for your MCQ soon. Have you done your work? Yes, good. Okay. So rather than going through the questions, let's see. Okay, let's try a Kahoot game, then using the results. Very good, Delia. I see more in info now. Okay. Overcrowding. Yeah, that is for the dispersal, right? Okay, dispersal of the seeds. All right. Any other input? If you still have any other inputs, you can also put it in later. All right. And then I'm going to keep that open. I'm not going to lock this or delete this. Yeah. Okay. Cassidy says that if you use a school email, the school may block emails from other people not in the school. Possible. That's what happened to my daughter's one. Yeah. That's why just now I mentioned, right, must have a Gmail account. If you do have a Gmail, send to me. If don't have, we'll figure out again next lesson. Okay, Marine says, okay, we can make it bigger. When the flower becomes a juicy fruit, okay. The animal will then come out in the animal ways. Is it the animal? Okay, this part here, I think it should be the seed. Marine. Okay. Delia, you're very strong. Your science is strong. You can write very fast. Okay. So those who have Gmail account, you can also send it to me. This is my email address. You might want to copy it down. All right. So we will keep this open. If not enough, you can always go to the second page to continue. All right. I am going to start a Kahoot game. So very quickly, okay, I saw your responses. Okay, some of you can notice that, okay, this one, not much change lah. I just left it as it is. So you're supposed to find out, right, which part of the flower has a similar function as X. Okay, so it's actually to produce the male reproductive cell, right? That's why answer is B. You all get it? Okay, what is this part known as? Type into the chat if you know quickly, right? Type into the chat quickly if you know. Yeah, yes, this is the answer. Okay, so if this is the answer, what is A? What is this part A? Okay, stigma, usually sticky, right? Stigma. And what is D? And then what is C? Yeah, you are fast. Good. D is the filament. Yes, very good. Okay, yeah, and then the ovary. And then the ovary. Good. Okay. Since we are focusing on the reproduction in plants, so plant parts you have to know. Now, next, this question. All right. So you saw how I actually changed it also, right, just now. Okay, I put that into ABC. I also changed some of these words here just to test whether you have done this. Okay, so you should not have any problem here. Just take a good look. See, both have female parts. That is true. But in the question in Kahoot, I changed it a bit. Okay, then flowers, X can produce both male and, okay, this is true, right? After fertilization, okay, flower X can develop, but this one cannot, is not true. So that's why answer is B also. Okay. So this part here, which one will develop into a fruit? Okay, what is the main thing the flower must have in order for it to become a fruit? What is the main part the flower must have? Yeah, the most important part. Okay.